Hey there, welcome to Ben's Eco Adventure. Today I've got something a little different. I'm going to test a Tesla to J1772 adapter. Let's see how this works. In the interest of full disclosure, I will say, while this is not a sponsored video, I was sent this adapter for free at no charge by Zemiro, and they asked me to review it. So we'll take a look at it. We'll unbox it here, kind of show you around if you want to see. Here's the specs, 48 amps maximum, picture, and yeah, not a lot else to it. So we can go ahead and open this up here. And it's fairly basic packaging. So here's the actual adapter. Take a look at it. There's the NAX or J3400 or Tesla, whatever you want to call it, end, and the J1772 end that plugs into an EV. One thing that's very important to note about these adapters is these do not work with Tesla supercharging stations. This is an AC only adapter. So you would use this where you had a Tesla destination charger and you were going to charge at level 2 speed, so 240 volts. A couple other miscellaneous notes. So this adapter is rated up to 48 amps. That's about 11 kilowatts. If you have a select few vehicles, some are able to charge at more than 48 amps. You would not want to use this adapter because you would exceed the rating of it. This adapter has a couple certification marks as well on it. It has the CE certification mark, which is a European certification. I looked into that. That's actually a little bit different than an Underwriter's Lab, a UL, or the CSA certifications that you might find. CE is actually a self-certification. So it's the company saying, we think this meets safety standards, but CE is not actually independently verified in most cases. It also does have the FCC logo. I did ask the company about that. That's basically the certification that you've probably seen once before. It's on basically any electronic device that says this device will not cause harmful interference and it must accept any interference that it receives. It's very basic stuff. Just for comparison purposes, I have a Tesla Tap Mini. This is something I purchased myself a number of years ago. So we can kind of compare the two back to back. The Tesla Tap Mini is the probably most well-established Tesla to J1772 converter. I have used this one. It works pretty well. This one's rated up to 60 amps. The big difference really between the Tesla Tap and the Zemiro is just going to be in price. The Zemiro currently is listed on Amazon for $40, and I don't remember exactly how much the Tesla Tap Mini was, but I would say it was well into the hundreds of dollars. If I can look it up, I'll put it on screen right now. All right, I'm here at a local hotel that has a Tesla destination charger. This is an 80 amp destination charger. So this should max out the Bolt's capability. The Bolt can take up to 11 kilowatts, 48 amps, which is the max rating of this adapter. So we'll plug it in together for the first time and see how it works. There's the Tesla end. Fits in pretty snug. And plug it in the Bolt. And let's see. All right, I got a message. It's charging. So let's take a look and see what it's actually charging at. For whatever reason, I am only getting 8 kilowatts right now. And I don't know if that's the adapter or perhaps the station is limited in some way, but there's a second station here. I'm going to give that one a try too and see if that works better. All right, I got the charge cord connected message. Heard it click. All right, we got the beep. So let's see where it gets up to. The first time when I first plugged in, it initially said unable to charge, and then it actually did start charging. So let's see if this one's any different. Getting 8 kilowatts right now. Yeah, still seems to be stuck on that. I did turn the heat off in the car, so it shouldn't be drawing any current as far as keeping the cabin warm, or the accessories really don't draw that much comparatively speaking. So we're a little bit short, and I don't know if that's the station or the adapter or what's causing that, but it is working at least. We'll let it run for a little while and see how it does. Just checking the temperature here. The adapter does not feel warm in any way. Today's a relatively cool day. It's about 46 degrees Fahrenheit, or what is that, 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. So not exactly a stress test, but at least we're not seeing anything that's alarming. I'm also gonna quickly try my Tesla Tap Mini just to see if I get any different results as far as power output on this station. And just so you can see, we are also getting 8 kilowatts output from the Tesla Tap, same as with the Zemiro. Final thoughts on the Zemiro Tesla to J1772 AC adapter. This adapter seems perfectly fine. It doesn't appear to be especially robust compared to the Tesla Tap, but it does work. It was easy to use. It's also a little bit bigger, so you'll need a little bit more space in your car to stuff it away. If this is your first time here at the channel, I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a like if you find it useful, and consider subscribing. We've got a lot more EV content and much more to come. Thanks for watching.